Good evening, student. Now, civics lesson 4, Indian foreign policy. Indian foreign policy. Introductions. What is mean the Indian foreign policy? The Indian foreign policy can be defined as the country. Defined as the country policy, that is, first one is the conceived, one is the foreign policy is conceived, designed and formulated to safeguard the three importance for mainly for conceived, designed and formulated to safeguard, to promote her national interest in her external affairs. So, the promote the national interest in her external affairs, that means வெளியுறவு அமைப்புகள், foreign countries. So, in his contact with the relationship with the countries, both bilateral and multilateral. So, foreign policy means is a country policy that is conceived and designed, promote her national interest in her external affairs in the countries, relationship with the other countries, both the bilateral and multilateral. It seeks to secure the best interest of the peoples. So mainly the focus on the safe for the peoples, the best interest of the peoples, territories and economic of the country. Mainly for the best interest of the peoples, territory and economic of the country. It is the direct reflections of the country traditional value. Mainly the previous decades, so mainly focus on traditional, the traditional values and overall national policy. This is the overall, the India national policies. The national policies have aspirations and self-perceptions. The nations have also been interdependent. Interdependent has been the fact of the international relations. Mainly the foreign policy means the relationship with the other countries, the foreign countries, for the trade or multilateral trade, bilateral trade, like that. Yes, of the main tools of the foreign policy are trades and the executives agreement, appointing the ambassador, foreign aid, international trade and armed the forces. These are the very important ones. The main tools of the foreign policies, one is executive agreement. Second one is appointing ambassadors. Ambassador means தூதரவு, foreign aid, international trade, armed forces. These are the very important tools for the foreign policy. Next one is main objectives of our foreign policy. So, main objectives of the foreign policy. First one is national security. Second one is national prosperity. Third one is increasing the number of foreign relationship. The increasing the foreign policy means the increasing the coordinations of the foreign policy. So here is increasing the number of foreign policy nations. Economic development. Another one is for achieving the world peace and enable every nations to be peacefully coexistent. These 5 factors is very important in the main objectives of the foreign policy. First one is national security. Second one is national prosperity. Third one is increasing the number of friendly nations. Fourth one is to achieving the world peace. Mainly focus on world peace and enable our nations of the peaceful coexistence. Last one is economic development. These are is the main objectives of our foreign policy. Thank you.